Today, I'm going to show you 10 free OSINT tools that anyone can use to track digital footprints online. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Use these tools responsibly. Tool 1. Have I been P2O'd? Check if your email or phone was exposed in a data breach to see what hackers may already know. Free individual checks and notifications available. Tool 2. Naimache. Scans hundreds of sites to see if a username or handle is taken, great for tracking aliases. Quick visual of where a handle appears online. Tool 3. OSINT Framework. A curated map of OSINT resources, your Swiss Army knife for finding specialized tools. Use it to quickly find the right tool for each task. Tool 4. Google Images, Yandex, and Tineye. Reverse image search to find where a photo appears and verify origins. Great for spotting fake profiles or tracing photo origins. Tool 5. Creepy. Open source tool that maps location data from geotagged social posts if metadata is present. Always respect privacy. Many people strip metadata for a reason. Tool 6. Truecaller. Identify unknown phone numbers from a large crowdsourced database. Useful for phone verification and spotting scam numbers. Tool 7. Hunter.io. Find email addresses linked to a domain. Helpful for reaching contacts or verifying business emails. Free tier includes limited searches. Verify deliverability when possible. Tool 8. Twint. A Python scraper for Twitter that collects tweets, followers, and metadata without needing an API key. Powerful for timeline and pattern analysis. Use ethically and within terms. Tool 9. Sherlock. Give it a username and it scans hundreds of social networks to find matches. Fast and ideal for footprinting a handle across platforms. Tool 10. Maltego. Community Edition gives you visual link analysis between people, domains, emails, and more. Professional power in a free tier. Ideal for investigators and analysts. And there you have it. 10 free OSINT tools you can start using right now to track digital footprints. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more cybersecurity content, and drop a comment with your favorite OSINT tool. Stay curious, stay safe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.